Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Madden 26. It's pretty easy. First of all, on EA you need to search Madden 26 in the search bar. Type that and just select the game right from here. And once you select the game, here you have the option to buy the game. So just click on select edition here. Right here you'll able to see three options. Either you can go with the standard edition or you can go with deluxe edition. And if you wanna play the game in the subscription, you can go for that as well. Click on the buy button on the edition you wanna purchase. Enter the payment details and just purchase the game, and from there you'll able to download the game. That's how you can purchase or download the game on EA. In Steam the process is kinda similar. Just go to the search bar, type here Madden 26, select the game, scroll and you're gonna see the option, this one, buy EA Sports Madden NFL 26. Click on add to cart, click on this option view my cart, and since we wanna purchase Madden NFL 26 only, we'll remove rest of the games. Click on continue to payment, and right here you just need to enter your payment details and purchase the game, and from there you'll able to download the game in Steam. Now on the Epic Game Launcher, go to the search bar, type Madden 26. You're gonna see two editions, Madden NFL 26 or Madden NFL 26 Deluxe Edition. Whichever you wanna purchase, just select that and click on buy now. Once you click on that, they'll redirect you on this page, and right here you need to make a payment, and once you do that you'll able to download the game on Epic Game Launcher. And that's exactly how you can download Madden 26 on Steam, EA or Epic Game Launcher. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.